FEG Token, huge increase coming. Buy it now and be rich in the next few weeks. FEG Price Prediction 2021. We'll this time talk about the new FEG Token since it already appears that there is a new version of FEG Token. Now that we have FEG Token version 2, let's see what the big deal is and what does it mean for FEG Token. If we go to CoinMarketcap, we'll see what happened to this token in the last couple of hours and the last couple of days. Welcome to Crypto Live. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. As you can see, the market for this coin has been trading more than $1.89 million, which represents an increase of 11.39% since last July 9th at 6:18 UTC. I think the volume was kind of going up, but we've been stabilizing since then. What a huge number of watches it had, which was 123,782. Also, it is interesting to know that FEG just has such a large community behind it. If you would like to purchase a coin, you can choose from all these different exchanges like Uniswap, V2, Gate.io, PancakeSwap, 1inch Exchange, and BKEX, which is very interesting to see. The FEGX version 2 update showed they moved their liquidity from PancakeSwap version 1 to PancakeSwap version 2. Approximately 31% will be moved to PancakeSwap version 2 and approximately 69% to FEGX USDT for the US dollar pair. If you continue, you will see that Paycheck version 2 LP is locked, and that transaction can be viewed if you so desire. Among the features of FEGX version 2 are Smart Swap, one-click swaps, automatic pairing, which handles any token, FWraps, and Smart DeFi functionality. Additionally, they already had an ad in Times Square, another version of staking, the release of the ROX token, and the FEG charts, which are the DEX tools for FEGX and FEGX UI improvements, and the SexDEX bridge. In the final stages of testing, the auto deployer program is being built in, so we should see an increase in volume due to the debut of the new features. All stock markets, particularly FEGX, will pump harder due to all reward systems being revamped. In case you haven't seen the beta wallet yet on fegstats.com, you need to check it out. It allows you to track all of your FEG tokens. Furthermore, it is a platform where you are able to easily track your effect balance and FWrap rewards, as well as view charts and analytics. With the development team behind this token, what we can do in the future is limitless. So see the tracker here. It's pretty interesting to see how it looks. If you actually go to their website, you will see that it has a different look. It previously was quite bluish, now it's almost black or something like that, but it does seem interesting. But it still appears pretty much the same. Their new partners are all listed there too, and they have a lot. It's really cool to see what they have. It's an interesting coin as a FEG token has basically two chains, if you didn't realize that. It's one of those interesting and quirky coins. It's interesting to see that they're using the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum blockchain from the very beginning. For instance, if your combined market cap was over $491 million last July 9th, it was over $242 million on the Ethereum blockchain and over $249 million on the Binance Smart blockchain. If you look at the chart on CoinMarketcap, you will see the differences. Additionally, FegExchange.com has been updated to the newest version of all the pairs that come with more features inside of it, such as smart floors and gas optimizations. There are two options. Either you wrap and unwrap it on FegWrap.com, or you use the Smart Swap to transfer from FEG to BNB. Similarly, the ability to do it in one step with fewer gas fees is also valid for the Ethereum side on its all-time high only possible on FegWrap.com. On the BSC side, SmartSwap reduced it even further to 40 to 50 cents. The internal testing reached a low gas fee of 50 to 70 cents after one step. It is now possible to trade Ethereum directly. The inverse also holds true. You do not have to wrap at BNB or Fifth by yourself, but you will not find any indication of the internal balance when making deposits into SmartSwap. P2P funds will be sent to another wallet address without leaving a trace in the blockchain, and byte knowledge will be required to get some useful information out. This is even cheaper than FEG BNB and FEG ETH, since the transaction fee will only be 0.5% instead of 1. In version 1, under withdrawal staking, that can be found in the tab deposit when activating SmartSwap. Version 2 is still similar to FegWrap.com by letting token holders wrap and unwrap their listed tokens, thereby releasing liquidity pools that provide liquidity to token holders, reducing the impact of a big sell and rewarding participants for their risk. Therefore, out-of-pairs tokens will soon be able to be added to the FegX wallet. The new stake version 2 will reduce the insane gas charges and also give you the chance to gain FEG reflections instead of having to sell them. It will also be more efficient, and staking will be cheaper and less expensive. The bridge from Ethereum to the BSC chain will be the first of its kind without minting new tokens, giving it the ability to connect to other networks fairly easily. We saw a mass resistance for the past few days, and we're very near the edge of what looks like a giant triangle on the charts. Yet, in the end, we're seeing a bullish cross here, so we should still have the buying power to keep going up. But if we break to the downside, then we will see what will happen. According to the chart of FEG tokens for the past few days, it was breaking down to the downside, so the coin could hit all the way up to a certain level before bullish developments could take place. Do pay attention to what happens over the next few days, as it is likely that they may be going in a bearish direction. I do think it could go in a bullish direction on the chart, but it does look like the FEG token will actually go in a bearish direction because the volume has been dropping lately. FEG tokens were losing. They were actually losing buying power, and just because of that, I'm not seeing that the coin will be able to explode to the top side, so we're going to see what's going to happen, but for now I am seeing some future but short-term decrease for this coin for the meantime. And these are based from the previous price movement of the coin in the chart. Further, even Bitcoin, the crypto king, has experienced a bearish market lately, and as we have mentioned previously, the whole market has been negatively affected. And that explains why. In the end, however, keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before investing in these coins. Our advice is always to invest with caution. Nonetheless, keep in mind why you invested in this token. Remember that you did so because this is a great community, and this is an excellent environment. Moreover, all these short-term dips will appear flat in the future. You will always succeed in the long run if you keep your mind in the longer term. Don't let the short-term decisions impact your position. The crypto market is basically declining because the whole market is declining. So at the end of the day, this coin won't really benefit from it. Therefore, even if we have great updates, the biggest problem is the market will still go down eventually. So even if we do well, the market will still go down. Obviously, that means that we have to start from the updates. So we have to have a lot more updates if we want people to stay for the long haul and so forth. In other words, they have to spend a great deal of time making a real good coin, which is why doing version 2 was an excellent upgrade. It'd be also good to add more utility to the coin, which means updating the software and updating the code, which is everything that this coin needs to do to make it better and better and better. This is what it's truly all about. And once the bear market ends, I believe that all coins, especially this one, will be able to rise even more. However, as I said, it's going to take some time, which is why people are talking about looking at the long term. I recommend you keep it in mind for the long run, especially now that they already have the money to fund people in order to become even better developers, so that this coin can be even better than it already is. But yes, it will take time. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.